I'm Per Jørgensen. I've been working at Danpo for more than 30 years on product development and process development. For me, it has always been a good challenge to go to work. There's a lot of things to do. Every time I find one improvement, there's two new to come. It never stops. I have heard about the Maxiformer. I thought we need to look closer into this machine. After that, we had a lot of testing with you guys from GEA. Some tests went good and some tests went not as good as expected, but we saw some progress and found out that that's the way we have to go. Tidy, easy to overview, clean and dry. That was the buzzwords. Every time we had to find the equipment, every time we have to design the rooms, every time we have to design all the parts in this production plant. I think with the Maxiformer, the innovation, the meat is supplied to the Maxiformer in step filling, so we get a more stable filling process. We can run with a slightly higher temperature on the meat, so we don't need to use that much energy to cool down the meat before we are forming the meat. That's quite important, innovation and economy in production. When improving a high-capacity line like this one, we need to look a lot to what is around the line and the environment, how it performs, how can we get rid of dust. The fully automated production line runs from grinding to mixing to forming, coating, cooking, frying and freezing. GEA is always a good help to me. I can speak to people and they understand what I'm talking about. They have mostly fast solutions to improve the line performance. Solving problems in production in line is for me a passion. GEA came with a full solution, machine by machine. By that we can have a security that take over from one machine to the other machine is working well, without any loss, without any waste, without any moisture. It makes me feel happy because then the operator doesn't have to do anything. They just have to watch an overview. When the operator can put their hands in the pocket and say, now it's working, then it's working well.